Are you tired of building .NET apps that quickly become unmaintainable? Hi, I'm Jason Taylor, and I'm excited to announce that this year at Techorama Belgium, I'll be presenting my workshop, Practical Clean Architecture and DDD with .NET. In this hands-on workshop, we'll build a real-world .NET application from scratch, applying clean architecture and domain-driven design principles. We'll create a system that is testable, maintainable, and highly flexible. Now, we won't just focus on theory. We'll tackle real coding challenges to show you how to structure your domain, apply CQRS and Mediator, and build a robust web API. By the end of the day, you'll have the skills necessary to apply to your next project. If you want to master the simplest approach to clean architecture and DDD with .NET, and you want to build applications that will stand the test of time, then don't miss out on this workshop. You can learn more at techorama.be. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.